Seriously? Right. It's a hard one to catch. Have to get the angle just right. Right. Oops. A little bit of fun. You gotta throw it right, Mom. See, that was thrown right. Oh yeah, now you're getting into it. Just a little surprised by that one. Can you catch the shoe? Can you catch the shoe? It's a tough catch. Wow, you did great. Got a couple more here to catch. Can you catch this guy? Yeah? How about some nuts and bolts? Can you play with some nuts and bolts? Can you pull that off? Turn the green one. Hi. That's right. Do it. Wrong way. So Max is very good at undoing and redoing nuts and bolts. But he's nowhere near skilled as Mango at that. Here, keep going. Let me take the green one off. You can do it, honey. You can do it. He knows that it blows. You can do it, honey. Almost. Keep going. Oops, careful. Careful. Here, turn it. Almost there. You notice I got shorter, huh? Keep going. Here. Almost there. Just spinning it back on, hon. Wrong way. Wrong way. Great. Spin. Give it a spin. You can do it, honey. You can do it. Yay! You did it! Stand tall. Yay! You're such a smart bird. Now, you think it's funny, T-Cow? Think it's funny that I gotta pick everything up?